is how do we connect India to other countries globally. So when I talk about the first aspect, I really feel that India is already a connected nation. Now, how? NASA has reportedly stated that the sound of rotation of the earth is Om. And we have been worshipping Om, we have been worshipping landscapes, rivers, lakes since ages now, which states that our culture is born out of the geography of our country. Moving ahead to how culture is connected to the economy. When I talk on this, how can I not talk about the heritage tourism that we have? About the Char Dham, the Golden Temple, the Haji Ali Dargah, about the beautiful churches of Goa. This heritage tourism generates a revenue for our nation, and this revenue helps us build a better, a stronger economy. And that we have a stronger economy now, it is possible for us to reach to the portions of the country that are in the most remote areas. And this will lead not only literate individuals, but educated individuals. And educated individuals of this nation would arise and develop a better culture, would arise and take care of the geography of their nation. And when this would happen, our India would arise. Talking of geography, when I see that the people who drink water in Bengal, it comes from the Himalayas. The people who experience rainfalls in Mumbai are the clouds that are coming from Gujarat. And we have the second largest network of roads in the world, thanks to the taxpayers of this country. Ahead, I would like to state how India is getting connected to other countries globally. India has always been rich in cultivable land, rich in heritage, and rich amongst all of you beautiful youth people of this country. This is the reason why countries like superpowers want to come to us and invest on our land. This does not bring only pride and respect to my country, but also generate a very strong economical relationships with countries that are more developed than ours. This is how economical bonds forms between two countries, and this is how we start understanding each other's geography. And when economy and geography of two countries mix, there will be an exchange of culture. We adapt their culture, they adapt our culture. With this, I would like to state that the only thing which the youth of India can do is to strengthen the connection that already exists within and inter-India. How can we do this? We can do this by taking active participation and understanding what our responsibilities and our duties towards our country, our nation, our people. And the day we realize our responsibilities, the day we start working hard, the face of this nation will change. Let's do this. Let's hold our hands, work even more hard, and let's do what India was born to do. To build love, to build respect, and to generate peace. I would like to conclude my saying with the quote, जिस दिन तेरी फतेह का परचम इस मिट्टी पर लहराएगा, जिस दिन तेरी फतेह का परचम इस मिट्टी पर लहराएगा, क्या जमी क्या आसमां ये हिंदुस्तान मिल जाएगा। और इसीलिए उठो जवान देश की वसुंधरा पुकारती, उठो जवान देश की वसुंधरा पुकारती, ये देश है पुकारता, पुकारती माँ भारती, पुकारती माँ भारती। थैंक यू। जय हिंद, जय भारत, एक भारत श्रेष्ठ भारत।
हेलो, बहुत खूब, बहुत ही अच्छी प्रस्तुति रही।